In this video, I will show you how to clean a marble fireplace. Marble fireplaces add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home, but their pristine beauty requires special care when it comes to cleaning. Marble is a delicate, porous stone that can easily scratch and stain if not treated with the utmost care. In this detailed and informative guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of cleaning and maintaining your marble fireplace, ensuring it remains a stunning focal point in your home. Materials you'll need: 1. Mild dish soap or specialized marble cleaner. 2. Warm water. 3. Soft lint-free cloths or microfiber towels. 4. Soft bristle brush. 5. Plastic wrap or plastic sheeting, optional. 6. Painter's tape, optional. 7. Plastic or glass scraper, optional. Step 1. Prepare the area, optional. To protect the surrounding area from cleaning products, consider covering the floor and adjacent surfaces with plastic wrap or plastic sheeting secured with painter's tape. Step 2. Dust the fireplace. Before introducing any cleaning agents, gently dust the fireplace with a soft bristle brush or a clean, dry cloth. This preliminary step helps prevent scratches during the cleaning process. Step 3. Mix a cleaning solution. In a container, mix a few drops of mild dish soap with warm water. Alternatively, you can opt for a specialized marble cleaner. Ensure that the solution is appropriately diluted to prevent any residue buildup. Step 4. Test a small, inconspicuous area. Before proceeding to clean the entire fireplace, it's wise to conduct a patch test using your cleaning solution on a small, inconspicuous area. This test ensures that the solution won't cause any discoloration or damage to the marble. Allow it to sit for a few minutes, then rinse and dry the test spot to check for any adverse effects. Step 5. Clean the fireplace. Dip a soft, lint-free cloth or a microfiber towel into the soapy water solution, making sure to wring it out thoroughly to avoid excessive moisture. Gently wipe the marble surface, working in small sections at a time. Pay extra attention to any areas with stains or soot buildup, applying slight pressure while being cautious not to scratch the marble. Change the cleaning cloth as needed to avoid spreading dirt around. Step 6. Rinse and dry. After cleaning the entire fireplace, rinse away any soapy residue with a clean, damp cloth or sponge. Follow up immediately with a dry, lint-free cloth or towel to ensure the marble is completely dry. This step helps prevent water spots and streaks from forming. Step 7. Address stains, if necessary. For stubborn stains that might not disappear with standard cleaning, you can create a poultice using a mixture of baking soda and water. Apply the poultice to the stain, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it sit for 24 to 48 hours. This process helps draw out the stain. Afterward, rinse and dry the area. Step 8. Maintain the fireplace. Regularly dust and clean your marble fireplace to prevent dirt and stains from accumulating. Gentle cleaning is key to preserving the marble's surface. Avoid abrasive or acidic cleaners, which can harm the marble, and refrain from using vinegar or lemon juice, both of which are acidic and can cause etching. In summary, caring for your marble fireplace is a delicate yet rewarding process. With the right materials and gentle cleaning techniques, you can maintain the timeless beauty of your fireplace for years to come. Regular upkeep ensures it remains a stunning centerpiece, enhancing the overall aesthetics of your home while preserving the elegance of this natural stone.